Children, today we will study the next chapter, that is motion. Motion, uh, we often perceive an object to be in motion. हम कब कहते हैं कि कोई भी object motion में? In this chapter we will study about the motion, but before going to the main topic, we will discuss about the certain terms. First of all, rest. An object is said to be in rest. We see around us a tree, a stone lying on the road. Then it is said to be in rest because it is called stationary object, because this object is not changing its position with time, with respect to the time and to its surroundings. Then the object is said to be rest. Now about motion, children, we see so many objects around us moving all the time. How we conclude that the object is in motion? We conclude to see the body when its position is getting changed continuously with time, then it is considered as the motion. And we see, as you already know, the motion of earth around the sun. Earth is also moving continuously around the sun. On its earth is also moving on its axis. Motion of the leaves, flow of blood in arteries, etc. But children, some of the motions are visible, and that are visible, we can see them directly. But some of the motion that cannot be inferred, that cannot be confirmed. Only we can confirm that motions by indirect evidences, as the wind is blowing, that is confirmed by the movement of the leaves. In this way we come to know about the motion, different type of motions. And children, there are motions around us which are categorized into two categories. One is controlled motion. Controlled motion, that are taking around us as motion which take place at a particular speed in a particular direction, that is considered to be the controlled motion, as the generation of electricity by rotation of turbines. Uncontrolled motion, children, as you already know, that is flooded and storms that takes around us, that also show the motion or the movement of the wind and the water, and hurricane or tsunami occurred here, that show that represents the uncontrolled motion. So children, we see different type of controlled and uncontrolled motion around us, and the point from which we measure this motion, that point is known as reference point or the origin.